Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the best ways to maximize your rewards. Today, we're tackling how to use Capital One miles in 2025. If you've got a Capital One credit card, you're sitting on a goldmine of miles that can take you places, literally. Let's dive right in. First off, what are Capital One miles? They're flexible reward points you earn from everyday spending on eligible Capital One cards, like the Venture or the Saver. In 2025, Capital One has made it even easier with updated app features and more transfer partners, so your miles go further than ever. Step 1. Check your balance. Log into your Capital One account via their mobile app or website. You'll see a clear dashboard showing your total miles and any expiration dates. Remember, some miles don't last forever, so use them wisely. Next, decide how to redeem them. There are a few main options. For travel, you can book flights, hotels, or car rentals directly through Capital One's travel portal at a rate of 1 cent per mile. But here's a pro tip for 2025. Transferring miles to airline or hotel partners often gives you the best value. Capital One has partnerships with over 15 airlines, like Aeroplan or Singapore Airlines, where 1 mile can be worth up to 1.5 cents or more. If travel isn't your thing, redeem for cashback, typically at 0.5 to 1 cent per mile. Or use them for gift cards, shopping, or even statement credits. In 2025, look out for new redemption bonuses during peak travel seasons to squeeze extra value. One common mistake to avoid: don't let miles expire. Set reminders and plan redemptions ahead. Also, always compare the value. Transferring miles might save you hundreds on a dream vacation. Wrapping this up, using Capital One miles in 2025 is all about smart planning and flexibility. Whether you're jetting off or just treating yourself, these miles can make it happen. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more rewards tips. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.